Ever wondered why we sneeze? Here's the science in 60 seconds. Sneezing is your body's way of ejecting unwanted particles, like dust or pollen, from your nose. Think of it as your nose hitting the reset button. A sneeze can shoot out air at over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Your body literally won't let you. Sunlight can make some people sneeze. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and affects about 1 in 4 people. Next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body being a superhero. Like for more crazy body facts, and bless you in advance.